Alright guys, here's a quick unboxing of the Boderry BDA002T. So if you watch my stuff before, you'll know I don't normally bother with unboxings, or if I'm going to include them at the start of a review, I'll quickly get through it and not really tell too much about it or focus on it too much. But with this one, I thought it was worth doing an actual unboxing video, as it is a really nice box. So, as you can see, it comes in the Boderry branded box. Simple cardboard box, but if you open it up, we have actually got a nice leatherette. Well, actually no, sorry, it's not leatherette. This one is actually leather, which is one of the main reasons I thought I'd do a review on it. Because most AliExpress watches you get, if they do come with a box, it's always a leatherette one. Whereas this one is actually leather. Again, with the Boderry branding on. So, opening up, you've got the nice cushioned Boderry bit with the branding again, to protect the watch. Then obviously we have the watch itself. Quickly take that out for a second and show you what else you get in the box. So these little pull tabs, you pull this bit up, and then we've got the usual stuff inside. Got the instructions and warranty in Chinese but also in English. But we have actually got it stamped inside, which I was surprised by. So somebody at least has actually looked at this watch. But that is actually a nice thing, somebody's actually checked it. So I haven't got the issue I have with my Labini, which I'm still waiting to get the refund on, but that's another video. So it also comes with the Boderry tag on, with the suggested retail price, but don't worry, it's nowhere near that much. But I'll get into that in the actual review. And then just the plastic that came on the watch. So I'll put that to one side for a second and give you a quick look at the actual watch. So here's the actual watch itself. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this, as I've already uploaded a few pictures on there. But the main reason I got this, if you've been following me, like I say, on Instagram, you'll know already, is that this is actually a titanium case. That was a really nice thing. I thought I'm going to have to try that out. So, like I say, this is going to be a full review. That will be coming soon, but this is just a quick look. So, I went with the green dial version, as you can see, but they do have other colours as well. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. So, it's pretty nice overall. I do quite like this strap as well. Looks good. Another really nice thing about it as well is that rotor. Skeletonized rotor with the Boderry branding on. And like I say, as it says there, titanium case. That is the main reason you're going to be wanting this watch. Like I say, full review is coming, so for now, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you when the full review comes out.